Welcome to another unboxing video. Woo! Anyway, nakuha ko siya for 194 pesos. Free shipping. Disinfect ko na yung main plastic. So we're gonna open it. So, thank you to K-Fans Paradise sa Shopee. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below. Ayan siya. Thank you. Hindi, kakatapon ko yan mamaya. Bukas na siya actually. Kinuha na nila yung photo cards and posters. Kaya, mura na lang siya. So, ito lang yung mismo photo books and the CD itself. So, open na natin siya. So, I suck at opening packages. Look at the dog. What are you doing, dog? May not the stones. Magkakalat ka sa loob ng bahay. So, ito na siya. Bakit tayo bumili ng unsealed album? Kasi wala na tayong pera pang bili. Gusto lang naman natin yung photo. That's right. Wow. Here it is. Look at that. So makikita nyo, ano na siya, bukas na siya kasi unsealed album na. Pero original naman siya kasi may sticker siya ng Comca. So anong laman ng unsealed album natin? Yung Henggarae. It's a very customizable album. So you will get the different photo books. Masasayo kung paano mo siya i-arrange. So tingnan natin yung laman. Ooh, look at that. Thank you sa freebie. Yung photo card ni Wonu. Si Wonu. And sa sticker. Ito na siya. Cover. It's the album cover. And by unit. So, hip-hop team, performance team, vocal team. And interview. And the sticker, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa album na to. They have good, very minimalist stickers. So hindi ko isasama ko siya sa pagkabit ko. Pero ito yung pangkabit. Cool, no? So para siyang screw na igaganon mo lang siya. So kita nyo lahat siya ay may punchers. Diba? Very sulit for 194 pesos. Ito na yung CD, pero hindi natin siya magagamit. Siguro next time. And the lyric card. Dito may mga number naman kung paano magkakasunod-sunod yung per book, pero nasa sayo pa rin yan. So, hip-hop team, performance team, vocal team, and the interview. So, isa-isahin na lang natin na saglit yung pag i-go through natin yung laman niya. So, tatabi ko na yung pretty album cover niya, and yung sticker, and yung tracklist na paper, and the CD itself. So, buksan natin yung hip-hop team. So, medyo nag-research muna ako sa iba't ibang mga versions. So, na do set net version. So, pinili ko yung set kasi gusto ko yung mga photos. So, ito siya. Diba? S-Scoops, my bias. Gusto ko yung mga pictures dito kasi parang outdoor. Wonu. Nice ng photos, no?
Yes.
Very, para siyang yung sa toys kasi, yung sa more and more ko last nung wala nating in-unbox. Isang book pa lang siya. Tapos ayoko nung medyo super glossy and ayoko ng glossy. Ito gusto ko siya. This is Wonu. This is Mingyu. Lahat ng photos parang dun sa isang trailer park. Yes. And we're on. Nice. So next. Performance team as prescribed number 2. Okay, Hoshi. Jun. Junnie. Minghao. Parang more and more yung damit nila dito. And Dino. Dino the Makne. That's for performance team. AKA the Chinese unit. Vocal team. Like the paper. Do you like the paper? I like the mix of the orange and this green. Gamitin ko siya next
Ba't
time.
may punch dyan? Ba't pinag-
Diyan ilalagay itong screw. Cool, diba? Okay, vocal team. Uzi. Woozy, Jonghan. Yung ganyang trailer park, it reminds me sa Grey's Anatomy yung tinitirahan nila Owen Hunt. A.K.A. and Derek. Kay Derek pa naman.
Many people got
Joshua, Isu. Hyun, TK. Feel ko sa US to. Nice, diba? Nice. Very editorial. And Songkwan. And the interview parts. Of course, we can read Hangul. Yun yung questions. Yan. So, ano na lang, research nyo na lang kung ano ibig sabihin niya. Pero hindi na ako mag-e-effort na alamin yun.
Translate.
Look at those pictures! You know what I love about 17? They really do everything on their own. Like how Mingyu also, kahit despite being an idol, he also likes directing, he also likes shooting. They, you know, these are their personal photos. Very portfolio, very zine worthy. The photos by Scoops, Jonghan, and Joshua, and photos by Jun, Hoshi, and Won. Nice na? Nice. Photos by Woozy, Mingyu, Minghao, and DK. And photos by Songkwan, Vernon, and Dino. Left and right. My mind. Ayan siya. Very minimalist paper type. So gagawin ko, gusto ko pagbukas natin ay magsisimula tayo sa performance team, sa hip-hop team, sa vocal team. According to my biases. So hindi ko na sabihin kung paano ko sila. Wala akong hate. So ano lang, least bias from most biased member. So performance team tayo magsisimula. Tapos sa hip-hop team and sa vocal team. But I love them all. Don't get me wrong. And then the stickers, the front, and then sa likod yung mismong CD. Ganito yung screw. Interest dyan. Wow, engineering. Ito, gawit kasi namin yung lyric book. This is me as an engineer. Hindi natin yung cutter. Close the album. Look at the album. It's pretty. So nag-start tayo sa 2. Performance unit. Si... Ganda na pag nakakabit na siya. So nice, so nice, so visual, so talented. Stan talent, Stan synchronization, Stan self-producing artists. That's it. So again, if you like to trade, wala akong PCs, wala akong poster. So if you like to trade the photo books, you can comment down sa section below. So alam ko yung mga friends ko na bumili din ng Henggarae album nila ay iba't ibang version. So kung gusto niyo yung theme ng set version na meron ako, leave a comment down and I'll contact you. So that's it for our unboxing video for today. Peace out. Stan talent, Stan 17. Boom.